but my passion was always cars, and now we're starting to go down a route that really I do love. Classic cars and the restoration, and that's my favourite bit really. The GTA is just an iconic car, obviously. To say that we've done some work on it and repaired aluminium on it is just fantastic. 1600 with a twin spark head. They made 501 of them in the 60s, so this was a factory car for racing. Supercars, you know, you can't get away from the glamour and the excitement of those, but they're just not the same as the classic stuff. We're a specialist quality car restorer. That's it.